Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in home security technology. In today's video, we're thrilled to present our comprehensive Reolink Argus 2 review, highlighting why it's considered one of the best wireless home security cameras on the market. If you're looking for a reliable solution to keep your home safe and secure, you're in for a treat. Join us as we delve into the features, performance, and benefits of the Reolink Argus 2. Home security is a top priority for many, and the Reolink Argus 2 aims to provide peace of mind with its advanced features and convenience. In this review, we'll explore how this wireless security camera can enhance your home's security and surveillance. Design and build. Let's start by discussing the design and build of the Reolink Argus 2. With its sleek and modern design, this camera seamlessly blends into your home environment. The weather-resistant construction ensures it can withstand various outdoor conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Performance and features. Moving on to performance and features, the Reolink Argus 2 offers a range of capabilities that set it apart. From high-definition video quality to advanced motion detection, this camera is designed to capture clear footage and alert you to any potential threats. We'll dive into its various features to give you a comprehensive understanding of what it offers. Wireless convenience. One of the standout aspects of the Reolink Argus 2 is its wireless convenience. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily monitor your property from your smartphone or computer. This feature enables you to stay connected and informed even when you're not at home. Night vision and two-way audio. In low-light or nighttime scenarios, the Reolink Argus 2 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, it ensures clear visibility even in the dark. Additionally, the two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with visitors or potential intruders from a distance. Battery and solar power. The Reolink Argus 2 offers the flexibility of both battery power and solar charging. This means you can choose to power it with a rechargeable battery or opt for the solar panel accessory for continuous power. We'll assess the battery life and the effectiveness of the solar charging option. User-friendly app. To further enhance user experience, the Reolink app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling and monitoring the camera. We'll take you through the app's features and functionality to show you how easy it is to manage your security camera. In conclusion, the Reolink Argus 2 has earned its reputation as one of the best wireless home security cameras. Its combination of design, performance, and features makes it an ideal choice for safeguarding your home and loved ones. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review of the Reolink Argus 2. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more security tech reviews, and sharing it with others who are looking for the best wireless home security solutions. Stay safe and secure.